Here's an interesting thought. How is customer value creation like cooking? As we think about it, good cooks want their final product to meet the perceived needs of their customers. Just like any company, also cooking requires a unique blend of ingredients and preparation to achieve their signature dish. Customer value creation also requires a business to combine capabilities in the correct mix to have their products or services to meet the perceived needs of their customers, just like a cook. The ingredients for customer value creation represent a broad set of skills and capabilities. You can't make a successful dinner with just one or two, but just the right selection for each company. Let's take pricing, and then product development, and customer experience, marketing, call centers, digital transformations, innovation, sales, employee culture, and customer service, just to mention a few. Using a holistic and integrated approach is the most successful way to create a company-wide culture focused on creating value. Our new association is Customer Value Creation International, and dedicated to help our members understand and improve their knowledge. Each ingredient is presented with the goal of best of the best. Members can focus on what works for their company or their personal development. They will be exposed to all the ingredients, tools, techniques, articles, webinars, guru blogs, and more. All the best of the best. CVCI will open for membership in December 2019. But we are now looking for volunteer subject matter experts to help coordinate all of the ingredient categories. If you have a passion for any of these customer impacting areas and also want to become involved in the development of our global customer value creation movement, please contact Jim Karras by email. That's jim@karras.com, C-A-R-R-A-S. We can have a call to discuss in more detail. Looking forward to meeting you and joining our global customer value creation movement.